everybody, we've actually done this video 2 times, so
Yes.
this is our we're gonna do this one more time.
Okay, this is what happened. Okay.
Wait, no. Okay, so this slime is really sticky, so we will not show you. But Ava is back. My cousin Ava is back. We're having another sleepover.
Ava's back.
So, yay!
Let's get on with the video. Okay,
so we're doing a slime collection. So the first slime is
this one.
Yeah, we're not gonna take that one out
bottom.
neither, but we are gonna poke it and stuff. We're gonna poke it. So
okay, let's look. See, gonna be careful because this one's hard. I'm not gonna really do it that hard. I'm gonna do it like fast so it doesn't get on me. That's what most people do. Funny. Come on.
Okay, now be quiet, because it's condensation time. Okay. Let's go to the next slime. That was a really good ASMR. The next slime is this slime. It might look like a coffee thing, but there's slime inside, so just deal with it. This is our next slime. So beautiful.
Oh, I know, look at it.
Okay, let's do some ASMR. We're gonna I'll tell you what ASMR means in my other videos. So, but listen to this.
Beautiful. Oh yeah. Okay, on with the next slime.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so the next slime. Here it is.
Here, I'll do it.
Okay.
It's not clicky, so we're just gonna play around with
but it is stretchy. But it breaks easily.
It is kind of clicky, so
Come on. You try to click it in the container. Yeah, it clicks in the container.
Okay, on to the next slime.
Okay.
The next slime is my bead slime. I made this just yesterday, special for YouTube, so let's go.
Yeah, it looks like
it. Okay. Okay. This is really good at poking.
Yeah, it's really good slime. She makes good.
Okay, here's some ASMR.
Wait. Can't see.
Here, let's just put it down like that. I like doing the lonely poke. Oh, I need to hold this down.
The lonely poke. Now it's the duet poke.
Ready?
Ugh. Kind of sticky.
Next, on to the next slime. Here's the next slime. It's putty, like slime putty, not this putty, but slime putty.
Yeah,
so,
it's a glitter gym collection.
So let's go.
Let's go. Click it.
It's really good at clicking. You just cannot really hear it.
If you do it slowly, it'll stretch.
It's not that stretchy, but we can do it slowly.
Here, let me see.
Let's do some ASMR.
Oh my gosh. Go on. Do some.
So satisfying.
Okay, on with the next one.
Yeah. We cannot poke this slime because this slime this slime is the reason why we had to do the video 2 times. We made the video 2 times, so we're just gonna show you. I really want to touch it. Oh, okay. On to the next slime.
Okay, so this is the next slime. It's not sticky, but it's very stretchy.
I don't even know how I made it.
It It's very. I like this slime.
Wait, here I need to show.
It's
So
like
I'm going to
taffy.
show you something that I like doing. I like doing the stretch thing. So we're going to do that. Ava, have you done this before? Here, let me show you. Something for that. I'm trying to crack it.
It's like bubble gum.
I'm trying to crack it, Ava. Okay, ready? Man, it's crack. It's on to the last slime I have. It's putty, but I'm just gonna call it slime. This is the original putty. It's called Silly Putty. So I hope you enjoy this. Doing something.
Whoa. It's like not slime, it's like more like putty.
And watch this, Ava. You can actually lose some by doing that, but still, I just do it.
Okay, let's do
Wait, ASMR! ASMR!
Okay,
Bye,
guys,
everybody.
make sure you hit that like button.
And subscribe! And slime that like button.
Okay, tune in next time.
Slime! Woo!